Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Introducing the Universal Easy Installer from Car Keys Express, a simple consumer.do-it-yourself device that lets you easily pair new keys on your own. Car makers have gone out of their way, using an app on your phone to make key replacement difficult, requiring complex steps and specialized computers to program keys. That's forced customers back to dealerships for expensive key replacement. The Universal Easy Installer replaces those tools and makes key programming as simple as possible. With step-by-step instructions, each vehicle's specific programming steps are set by the manufacturer. Some car makers require more steps than others or require waiting periods between steps. Whatever the process, Easy Installer makes key programming as easy as your vehicle allows, while saving you hundreds of dollars over dealership replacement. Before you purchase, make sure the Universal Easy Installer will work for you. You'll need a compatible vehicle, a compatible smartphone, at least one working key, and your new key ready to be paired. The Universal Easy Installer works on millions of vehicles, but that does not mean it will work on yours. You must check compatibility before you purchase. The installer is designed to work only on vehicles intended for sale in the United States. US branded vehicles in other countries like Mexico, Canada, or the United Kingdom are not compatible with this device. The Universal Easy Installer only works with factory installed keyless entry systems, aftermarket components like security systems, remote starts, tuning devices, or stereos can cause serious and unexpected errors during installation. The installer won't create functions that weren't factory installed on your vehicle. If you purchase a key which looks different from your original or has more buttons, then not all features will work if it programs at all. Lastly, the installer will pair keys for only one vehicle. However, it can be used multiple times for that vehicle. So it's a great idea to save it for future use. You'll plug the device into your car's standard diagnostics port located under your dashboard. It connects to an app on your smartphone via Bluetooth. Download the Universal Easy Installer app from the App Store or Google Play and install it on a compatible smartphone. You'll need at least one working key during programming, along with a new key ready to be paired. Your new key must match your original key. If you have a bladed key, it must be cut before you begin pairing. Every vehicle has a maximum number of keys which can be programmed to it. The Universal Easy Installer cannot exceed that limit. You purchased a used vehicle, a previously repossessed vehicle, or have added keys in the past, you may be closer to that limit than expected. If you have purchased cheap, aftermarket keys from discount sellers online, the key itself may not be compatible. It is important to purchase a high-quality key from a reputable vendor like Car Keys Express. Before pairing, your vehicle should be clear of fault codes. Check engine lights or dashboard error messages. This can cause errors in programming. Also, make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. A load charge may result in an unsuccessful pairing. After completing these steps, you're ready to pair. Just open the Universal Easy Installer app on your smartphone and follow the instructions in the app. Programming typically takes 10 to 20 minutes. If you have any questions before purchasing or if you encounter any issues during pairing, customer support team will walk you through it or will make it right. The Universal Easy Installer distills 20 years of expertise from Car Keys Express into one groundbreaking, award-winning device. Skip the dealership now. You can replace keys from home in minutes. At a fraction of the cost of dealership replacement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.